National Electrical Code Article 406.5d addresses multi-wire branch circuits. In multi-wire branch circuits, each multi-wire receptacle shall be supplied by one overcurrent device and shall not be connected with a single receptacle on any other circuit. Each single receptacle shall be supplied by one overcurrent device on one phase of the circuit. This code rule generally requires the use of duplex receptacles, meaning two receptacles in one outlet box, in multi-wire branch circuits. This is primarily to ensure that each receptacle is protected by its own overcurrent device. It also prevents any single receptacle from being connected to more than one circuit, which could create hazardous conditions. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. Firstly, single receptacles may be used for non-permanent use. This includes situations such as temporary work or construction sites, where the wiring is not intended to be a permanent part of the building's electrical system. Secondly, single receptacles may be used for appliances or unit equipment that requires a dedicated receptacle. Common examples include refrigerators, dishwashers, or other appliances that need their own individual circuit for safe and reliable operation. Thirdly, single receptacles may be used in isolated premises, such as a garage or barn. The reasoning here is that in isolated locations, the likelihood of simultaneous use of multiple appliances or devices is low, reducing the risk of overloading the circuit. In most residential and commercial settings, duplex receptacles are generally required for multi-wire branch circuits. Single receptacles should only be used in the specific exceptions that have been outlined. This is to maintain electrical safety and ensure proper overcurrent protection for all devices connected to the circuit.